Substituting integers. Substitute the given integers to evaluate the expression. If I have a minus 3b, this is an expression because there's no equal sign. You can't solve this. All it does, it gives us a relationship between two unknown values. And the value of this expression depends on what is the value of a and b. So in 1a, where they ask us, what is the value of a minus b if a equals negative 2 and b equals negative 4? What I want to do is I want to substitute. Now remember the word substitute. If you're a substitute in a soccer team, it means you go into the place of. So substitute means that the place of a needs to be negative 2. So I have to replace a with negative 2. The golden rule with this is to use brackets. So when I substitute a, wherever I see a, I'm going to have a bracket and I'm going to substitute minus 2. Wherever I see a b, I'm going to substitute b with negative 4. Okay, so it's going to be a, and where a is, I'm going to have a bracket, and I'm going to put in the place of the bracket negative 2. Take away 3, and there's a b. I'm going to replace b with a bracket, and in the bracket it's going to be negative 4. If you do not do that, you're going to mess up these negatives. Just an early warning. So again, this negative 2 was in the place of a, and that negative 4 was in the place of b. So this is going to give us negative 2, I can just write as negative 2. And now I have a multiplication because this means 3 times b. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to say negative 3 times negative 4. Because it's 3 times b. Negative times a negative is positive. 3 times 4 is 12. I now simplify negative 2 plus 12. Temperature is negative 2. It rises by 12. It's going to go to positive 10. So it could be. They say a plus b divide by negative 5 with if a equals minus 7 and b equals 2. Okay, so a is going to be negative 7, b is going to be 2. So what I'm going to do is substitute a with negative 7, so there's a bracket for a. Sorry, that's that bracket, is that bracket. Then for a, I'm going to have another bracket, and that bracket is going to be minus 7 plus b bracket, which is 2 bracket, and I'm going to close the bracket. Divide by negative 5. Remember BitMath, I'm going to do brackets first, so I have to solve this first. Now this I can just write as negative 7 plus 2, because it's a plus times a 2, divide by negative 5. Negative 7 plus 2, so I'm at negative 7 degrees, minus 7, and rises by 2, it will go to negative 5, which will be divided by negative 5. A negative divided by a negative is positive. 5 divided by 5 is 1, and that is your answer. Let's look at the last one. I'll have to use the space over here. So C, what is a squared minus b cubed if a equals negative 2 and b equals negative 3? So I'm going to say a is negative 2, a is negative 2, b is negative 3, and that is b. Brackets are very important. So I'm going to say a is a bracket squared. And what is that a? A is negative 2. It's important because if you don't have the negatives inside the bracket, your answer is going to be the wrong sign. Take away b. B is a bracket. What is b? B is negative 3. and that is cubed. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to say negative 2, this means negative 2 times negative 2, and a negative times a negative is positive. 2 times 2 is 4. Take away, and I'm going to have a bracket again. Negative 3 times itself 3 times. So what I say is a negative times a negative times a negative. So it's a negative 3 times a negative 3 times a negative 3. You don't have to write it out, but for the visual students, negative times a negative times a negative will give me negative. 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. Now I have two signs next to each other, so I'm going to say 4. A negative times a negative is a positive 27, and 4 plus 27 is 31.